In this video, we are going to unbox and review the Maono USB microphone set. Cue the intro. What's happening, beautiful people? My name is Jim and welcome to the channel where we review smart home products and discuss tips and tricks for techs that can help make your lives easier. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Click on that notification bell as well. Also, show notes, timestamps, and affiliate links can be found in the description box below. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So this is actually, the complete name is Maono Recording Monitorable Podcasting Microphone Set. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this. First, we've got some documentations going on. Alright. Then you have the pop filter. Okay. You have the windscreen. Then you have the shock mount. And then, of course, the clamp. Then you also have the arm, the boom arm. Okay. And then lastly, or no, not lastly, but you have the USB-B type cable. And then that, and the actual mic itself. There we go. That's pretty much it. So this is it. This is the whole set, and plug and play as well. So once you've set this up, plug it into your computer, done. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out. As with my previous video, I'm gonna just set this up and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I have officially set this up. I'm trying this out. Now, the one thing that excites me about this specific mic is the fact that it has a headset output. You can directly monitor your sound or your voice without going through the computer. This also means that you can connect this mic directly to your DSLR or sound recorder. I actually have tried it and it works. You may just have to adjust the settings on your DSLR, but trust me, it works. All right, so first off, the package comes with pretty much everything that you need, okay? So you have the boom arm, you have the pop filter, you have the shock mount, you have the windscreen, you have the USB mic, and of course the USB cable. Now, the boom arm itself is actually pretty solid. And like I said, the shock mount is a great addition as it will absorb the vibration and the movement. The pop filter is good to have as well to minimize those pops and bops and fops and all those ups. All right, so let's talk about the mic itself. The mic has a cardioid polar pattern, which is great in picking up sound directly in front of the mic. You know, it picks up a little less on the side and almost zero directly from the back. This is a good thing if, for talking heads where the speaker or the speakers are directly in front of the mic. You shouldn't be using this mic if you're interviewing someone directly in front of you. You need omnidirectional mic for that. The sampling rate is about 192 kilohertz / 24-bit, which is generally considered to be the standard. That is a CD quality sound. All in all, I find this Maono microphone kit a good purchase, especially if you are particular about hearing your voice first before editing or during streaming. You can find the link in the description box below. Also, let me know if you have any experience with this kit. Alright, beautiful peeps, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, I will see you in my next one.